5 things you can get at Costco without a membership. At a time when rising prices just seem to keep climbing, the deals on groceries, gas, and other essentials at Costco are tempting. But if you're pinching pennies, it can be hard to justify forking over $65 or more per year to cover the cost of a Costco membership. Luckily, you can still take advantage of a few of the Warehouse Club's most popular perks without having to join. Costco recently raised membership fees for the first time since 2017, increasing a basic membership from $60 to $65, and an executive membership from $120 to $130. But several of the retailer's perks can be enjoyed membership-free. We highlighted several such Costco benefits that don't require membership. Take a look. Number 1, gas. Don't be surprised if you see a long line of cars waiting to fill up at a Costco gas station on any given Saturday. That's because the Warehouse Club's prices at the pump are hard to beat. While you may have to wait several minutes, you could potentially save a few cents per gallon, which can add up over time, especially if you're planning a summer road trip. But wait, those longer lines may be shrinking very soon. That's because Costco gas stations are now open longer. Gas pumps at all Costco warehouse locations in the U.S. are now open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., Monday through Friday. On Saturday, the pumps are open from 6 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., and on Sunday, you can pump gas from 6 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. While this perk is supposed to be exclusive to Costco members, you can still take advantage even if you aren't one. Here's the trick. You'll need a Costco shop card, a reloadable gift card that a Costco member must purchase for you. Most Costco gas stations are self-service with pay-at-the-pump technology, except in Oregon and New Jersey, which are full-service by law. You need to insert the Costco cash card to activate the pump, but once you do, you can opt to pay with a regular debit card or credit card. A recent report from Yahoo Finance used GasBuddy and Costco's website to compare gas prices across several large U.S. cities and found that Costco's prices aren't typically the absolute cheapest, but they're always significantly less expensive than the average price. Costco's prices, on average, were 28 cents per gallon cheaper than the city's average gas price. Number 2, alcohol. Costco is the biggest seller of wine in the U.S. While it offers a large selection of higher-end options, the Warehouse Club's Kirkland signature wines are a huge hit among customers due to their high quality and low prices. If you want to try a bottle but aren't a member, you're in luck. Costco's Kirkland-branded beer, wine and liquor, as well as name brands, can be purchased by non-members, but only in states that legally require the Warehouse Club to do so. Local laws in some states prevent Costco or any other membership-based club from only selling alcohol to members. We contacted Costco for a definitive list of the states that allow the general public to make such purchases, but we weren't given a definitive answer. For the sale of alcohol, membership rules vary from state to state according to local laws. However, it's been widely reported that non-members can purchase booze at Costco in the following states: Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Hawaii, Indiana, Kentucky, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, New York, Texas, and Vermont. Readers, please let us know if we missed any. If you're confident you should be able to make the purchase in your state, ask to speak to a manager if the employee checking memberships at the door turns you away. Number 3, prescription drugs. If you have a prescription that needs to be filled regularly, switching to Costco's pharmacy might help you save big, especially as rising drug prices put a strain on your budget. Prices on more than 4,200 drugs increased from 2022 to 2023, and 46% had price jumps larger than the rate of inflation, according to the ASPE. The average price increase was 15.2%, which equated to $590 per drug product. This year, drug makers plan to increase prices again by about 4.5% on at least 250 drugs. But Costco's discounted prices can help you save on prescription medication. The average retail price for 3,500 milligram capsules of the generic alternative of amoxicillin, for example, is $14.59, according to GoodRx.com. At Costco, you'll only pay $8.84 for the commonly prescribed antibiotic. Depending on where you live, you can get your prescriptions filled at Costco without a membership. Just like alcohol-related purchases, there are local laws in certain states that require the Warehouse Club to make its pharmacy available to the general public. Again, your best bet is to call the store location nearest you to ensure that non-members can use the pharmacy. Number 4, free eye exams and health screenings. If you're not a Costco member, you can still take advantage of Costco's eye clinic by making an appointment for an eye exam with an in-house optometrist. However, you won't be able to purchase eyeglasses or contacts without a membership. Costco pharmacies that are open to the general public also offer a variety of other health screenings free of charge to members and non-members alike. This includes osteoporosis, heart, and diabetes screenings. Stop by your local Costco to find out about upcoming screenings. Number 5. Just about anything on Costco.com. Costco.com offers a wide range of products, from groceries in bulk to power tools to a Whirlpool bathtub, and you don't need a paid membership to shop. However, if you're a non-member, you'll be hit with a 5% surcharge on top of the listed price on all items in your shopping cart, except prescription drugs. Depending on how much you're spending, the cost of membership might end up being cheaper than paying that surcharge. It's also worth noting that certain products sold on the Warehouse Club's website are only available to members for purchase. You can also shop a limited inventory of Costco grocery items through Instacart, an online grocery delivery service. Some of Costco's Kirkland signature products are even sold on Amazon, with some eligible for Prime shipping, though the price markups are usually sizable. For anything you plan to purchase regularly, make sure to do the math to find out whether paying the markup is still cheaper than paying for a Costco membership.